Paco, but he don't cast. She left for money, she no find love.
Hey friends, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I pray that you guys are all doing well. So I am back with a new hair video, and I have this new one from a company that I have just discovered called ULAHAIR. And if you guys are interested, I'll have all the details and links located in the info section below, so be sure to check that out. So here's the wig that I picked up. You guys see the texture. It's gorgeous, right? But again, this does come from ULAHAIR, and this is their 3-in-1 half wig. You guys know I had to get my hands on this one because y'all, I love me a good half wig, especially in a gorgeous texture like so. So my wig is 22 inches long, 250% density, and this texture is called wet and Burmese curly. Now I like to just go in and kind of redefine the curls. You guys know when these wigs are shipped to you, they're going to have some creases. It's going to be a little bit frizzy, so I like to kind of spritz my hair down using water. I applied a little bit of my mousse followed by some of my liquid gel, and then I'm going to use my Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush just to redefine the curl, get some texture going on. Now this wig does have 3 combs, a drawstring, and adjustable straps. Again, this is their 3-in-1 half wig. You can wear this unit as a half wig, you can wear it as a ponytail, or you can wear it as a headband wig. So pretty much with this unit, you do have the invisible hairline, so you can either pull out hair or you don't have to pull out any hair in order to get a realistic look with this unit. Now I did decide to braid my hair, and I didn't blend the braids in with the unit. You guys are going to see exactly how natural it looks with my hair being unblended, being that again this unit does have that invisible hairline. So this is what the curls look like. I'm going to allow this to sit and dry overnight, and we're going to see what this unit is looking like. So off camera, I decided to braid up my hair. Y'all know I cannot braid for the life of me, so I didn't even want to do a tutorial on showing you guys how I braid. So I just braided it off of camera, kind of have like some cornrows going. I want to put some beads on my hair. I just kind of wanted to give it a nice, you know, ethnic, cute little bohemian type of style. So here is the half wig. It does have a slightly crunchy cast. You're going to go ahead and break that off just by scrunching the hair in your hands. And now I'm going to go ahead and get the wig on. I am using the combs within the unit as well as the drawstring in the back so I can get a nice secured fit. Make sure you tuck that drawstring in though, because you don't want people to see that thing hanging. Alright, so now I'm going to go in using a little bit of gel. Going to go ahead and lay my edges. Y'all know I love me a good edge moment. I know a lot of you guys don't, but hey, to each his own, so it's a preference thing. So once again, I'm gonna go ahead and lay my edges, kind of get like a cutesy look going on. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply my edge band just to kind of get that to set into place. I allowed that to sit on my hair for about 30 minutes or so. That's ready to go. It's ready and dry. So now, like I said before, I kind of wanted to apply some beads. I didn't have very many beads. I can't find my beads for the life of me, but I did find a small little pack, so I'm just using what I had. So I'm putting about 2 beads per braid. That's what it looks like. They're wooden beads, so it's kind of giving me like a bohemian type of style. I think it's so cute though. Didn't have a bead tool, so I'm just using my crochet needle. Works perfectly fine. Now I'm going to go in with my hair pick to pick out the hair some, get some volume, and you guys, this is what this unit is looking like. Y'all see the little braids in the front with the beads kind of going on. I wish I had more beads kind of going up my braids, but hey, it works. Now you guys can see my braids are not blended in with the unit, but you guys can see how naturally flat the unit is sitting around the band line. So again, like I said, if you want to pull out hair, you can. If you want to pull out a very minimal amount of hair, you can. Or if you don't want to pull out anything at all, it's going to look super natural, y'all. But y'all know me. You know, I kind of have to have something blended in because I kind of like the appearance of my own hairline. But hey, it looks good either way. So this is what the unit looks like in full. I am absolutely in love with this texture. I thought it was like wet and wavy, but this is like a different type of curly that I'm here for. Y'all, I thought it was so cute. But of course, I'm gonna give you guys a couple of different styles. They did give me this cute little bow with my unit, so I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of gather my braids and make them go to the back, and I'm gonna apply that little bow. And y'all, it's so cute. Like, I look like a little cutesy girl. You know, what's that show called? I forgot what it's called, the one that was like in England or something like that. I don't know. but it looks so cute. I kind of wish I kind of took the beads off, but I was like, I'm gonna go back to the style a little later on, so I'm not going to take the beads off just yet. But y'all, it's so cute with the bow, and this is what this style looks like. And this will be the last style I'm going to do. They did provide me with a little headband, so I'm going to wear this unit as a headband wig. I'm going to go ahead and throw that on. Once again, I just love the color and the pattern. It's just kind of, you know, going with the whole overall vibe of this unit, and I just love it with the beads. But of course, I'm going to tuck my beads to the back. I kind of want you guys to see just the hair by itself without any other accessories but the headband. And y'all, this is what it's looking like. You guys do check out ULAHAIR. I will have all the details and links provided in the info section below. If you guys want to save $15 off of your purchase, use my code, which is TWIN, to save again $15. Y'all let me know what you guys think about this unit. I'm just absolutely loving it. Okay, but y'all let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. I love you guys. Bye.